Are you a Shopify dropshipper wondering which tool can truly supercharge your business? Today, we're putting AutoDS and Dropship.io head to head to find out which one comes out on top, or if the real secret is using both together. Stick around, because by the end, you'll know exactly which platform fits your workflow best. Dropship.io. Overview. Let's start with Dropship.io. This tool is a powerhouse for product discovery and analytics. It's designed for finding trending products fast, analyzing competitors, and spotting opportunities before your rivals even notice. If your main goal is to research hot products and make data-driven decisions, Dropship.io is built for that. It gives you clear insights on profit margins, demand, and competition, all in one place. AutoDS Overview. Now, moving on to AutoDS, this is more of an all-in-one dropshipping solution. Beyond product research, it handles fulfillment, pricing automation, and even print-on-demand products. Its dashboard makes managing multiple marketplaces simple, showing delivery times, stock levels, and pricing at a glance. It's perfect if you want to automate your workflow and focus more on scaling rather than manually managing orders. Feature comparison. Here's where it gets interesting. Dropship.io excels at finding winners, but you'll still need another tool for order fulfillment. AutoDS, on the other hand, covers sourcing, faster shipping, and automating orders, which saves hours every week. The trade-off is that its product research isn't as detailed as Dropship.io, but its automation is a game changer for serious sellers. So, what's the final verdict? If your priority is research and analytics, go with Dropship.io. If you want automation and all-in-one management, AutoDS is your best bet. But the smartest approach? Use them together. Discover products with Dropship.io, then fulfill and automate with AutoDS for maximum efficiency. That's it. Two powerful tools, each with its own strengths. Which one fits your dropshipping strategy? Comment below and let me know your experience. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss tips to grow your e-commerce business.